Keywords are specific words or phrases that people use when searching for information or products online. In the context of online advertising, keywords are also used to target ads to specific audiences. Here are some common types of keywords. Broad match keywords. These are keywords that are used to target a wide range of related search terms. For example, if you use the broad match keyword shoes, your ad might show up for searches like running shoes or casual shoes. Exact match keywords. These are keywords that are used to target a specific search term exactly as it is written. For example, if you use the exact match keyword running shoes, your ad will only show up for searches that include the exact phrase running shoes. Phrase match keywords. These are keywords that are used to target a specific phrase, along with any additional words that come before or after it. For example, if you use the phrase match keyword blue running shoes, your ad might show up for searches like buy blue running shoes or best blue running shoes. Negative keywords. These are keywords that you exclude from your targeting in order to avoid showing your ad for irrelevant searches. For example, if you sell high-end watches, you might use negative keywords like cheap or affordable to avoid showing your ad to people who are looking for lower-priced watches. Long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that people use when they are searching for something very specific. For example, instead of using the broad keyword shoes, someone might use the long-tail keyword men's leather dress shoes.